This is Larry Warden from Apple Products Made Easy. Today's video is on the control center on your iPhone or iPad. I'm going to show you how to access the control center. I'm going to go over each control in it, and then I'm going to show you how to customize it. This video is designed for beginners, and I hope you find it helpful, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. To access the control center, if you have a device with a home button, simply swish up from the bottom. On the newer devices like iPhone 10, 11, or 12, from the right corner, just swish down, and here you have access to it. I'd like to go over the different components on the control center and then show you how to customize and configure it. Let's look at the box in the top left corner here. First of all, airplane mode. Turn it on or off when you're on an aircraft. Then we have cellular, turning it on or off, Wi-Fi, and finally Bluetooth. So that's a way to turn those controls on or off. Your next box here is your media center. When you're playing music or watching videos, this is how you can fast forward or rewind. This button here is your lock orientation button. If you don't want your screen to change when you're going to landscape or back to portrait, keep it stationary, you would put on that lock icon. The next one is your do not disturb. And right here, this is at night when you going to bed. Of course, you don't want emails coming in and phone calls. You can tap that on. When you hard press it, you can also see other options, and that's including timing when you want it on or off, and you can also schedule it. So that's handy to have. And these bars over here, brightness of your screen, up and down, and of course the next one here is your volume control. Now, some of the optional controls I have on mine at the bottom, I'll just go through. First of all, the camera. Just a quick tap of that icon will turn your camera on or off so you're all ready to shoot. How wonderful is it to have a calculator for your banking and when you're shopping, so it's handy to have, so I keep that on my control center. I have an Apple TV, so I've installed the Apple TV remote in my control center, and that takes the place of a remote. Flashlight. How often do we need a flashlight? Easy, just go to your control center, turn it on or off. That's one of the ones I use the most. Here we have dark mode and light mode. At night, if you want, a lot of people put their phone into dark mode to make the colors easier on our eyes, and back to light mode during the day. And that can also be scheduled. Something new in iOS 14 is music recognition, as that is through Shazam, which Apple has bought. And you tap on that when there's a song playing and you want to find out the name of it. Turn that on and your phone will tell you what it is. I also have a timer when you're timing something to cook, or you want to time a race or whatever you need to time, it's right there. And finally, I can't do it right now, but here we have a screen recording button because of the way I'm mirroring my phone. If you want to record your screen, you would tap on that. Now I would like to show you how to configure and personalize your control center. To do that, let's go back to settings, scroll down to the control center right under general, tap on the right arrow here, and we can see what's already in my control center is all these red, the ones at the top with the red circles I've already installed, and here's the ones at the bottom which I can add. Let's say I wanted to add voice memos. So I just go over to the plus button and tap on it, and that would go into my control center. Let's say sound recognition. Tap on that, and we can see they've been added to my control center. We just go back and look, and we can see they're right here already installed at the bottom. So they're already there. Now, to remove any of your icons or controls, just tap on the red circle and remove it. So I want to remove it, just tap like that. And one other thing I want to show you, you can change the location of these controls in your control center. Let's say you wanted the flashlight here up at the top in the first one. See these little bars here? Put your fingers on them and just drag it to the top. Now the flashlight will be the first control in your control center. So I hope this video has been helpful, and please subscribe to my channel, and I will be producing a video every week to make your Apple products made a lot easier. Thank you.